Okay, the tour of my house. Over there is the primary school where Abby goes, and this is my front door. I'm number 3. Now remember, in Eildon we only have crappy houses, as you can see. So the one that I've got is pretty good considering. Come on, Duff. Duffy, come on. Come on. Hey. No, he's going to be stubborn. Alright, so you walk into the lounge, the fire, the couch, we'll turn around. So yes, it's quite basic with my horrible pink carpet, the bookshelf, and my makeshift computer desk until I get another one. Excuse my voice, I have a cold. So, looking into the kitchen. What do we got over here? Oh yeah, some walls. I have to hang that picture up. So we walk through here to the kitchen with my horrible pink bin. I've got to get a small one. And the kitchen's not too bad, except for that cupboard, which I'll have to fix. And then up the hallway to the bedrooms. This is the laundry. Oh my god, are you ready for this? This is all the stuff I had in storage still to be washed. Or that's to be hung out. That's to be washed. Blue. Backyard, which is messy. Alrighty, off to the right. Ooh, cat. Ninja. Oh, that's Ninja. Amy's room, which looks onto the front. Yeah, we've sort of just chucked everything in here, so it's a bit messy. So that's Amy's room. Oh, this. I love this cupboard. It's not a linen press, it's just a junk cupboard where I've got all the DVDs. Probably a bit dark in there. And I threatened to lock the kids in there. Haha, no, not really. Abby's room. Quite basic again. Looks out to the backyard. With my boxes everywhere. And our big lemon tree. Quite basic. It's very dark in here. And my room, which is very, very bare at the moment. I need to dress up, it's probably going to go there. My Slash set list that he gave me with the guitar pick that he gave me. So yes, very big room, very bare room. That's pretty much it. Oh, my itty bitty bathroom. It's really itty bitty. So yeah, good size shower though, and a little tiny cupboard. So that's my house with everything semi in its place. Still a lot more to be done though. And I'm about to go pick Amy up from kinder. So there you have it. I told you it wasn't that exciting. Hey, Ninja. Hey. No. Let's go see where the puppy dog is. Duff, come on. You coming in? No. Alright.